Hey guys, Costa for Beardbrand Alliance, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to style your mustache in a few different ways. Before we get into the styling of the mustache, I'm just going to run you through all the tools I'm going to use pretty much for all these styles. Obviously a comb. I'm going to use the mustache side of this Beardbrand pocket comb. I'm also going to use some mustache wax. I'm going to use Dimple Smoke by Beardbrand. And this friend here, a very important friend, the air dryer. And obviously, I will be using these tools too. Hands. So let's get down to this. So the first style is the handlebar. I've just been to wash the mustache, so it's still a little bit damp. And as you can see, it falls down. First thing I'm going to use, the first tool I'm going to use will be a hair dryer and the pocket comb. The pocket comb, I'm going to use the smallest side. I trim my mustache over the lip, as you guys can see, and on the sides is much longer, so the ends are much longer. If you are a guy that has the mustache grown over the lip and it falls into the mouth, the process will be pretty much the same. All you have to do is comb it to the side, as I'm doing exactly with the trim mustache over the lip. I'm going to use the hair dryer on medium heat and start slow. And I'm going to dry and comb it to the side and give her a little curl like so. So it gets that handlebar shape. Now up that speed and use your hand. You can also use your hand just to create a bit more shape. Same on the other side. While it's still a bit warm, just give that shape into it. And as you can see, with a bit of heat and some molding, it starts to gain the shape. Now moving on to the tool that's going to keep it in place. Nice hold, some mustache wax. It's very easy to apply. And the way I'll apply it is I don't just apply the ends, I actually put a little bit through the whole mustache, like so. Just to keep all those strays down into a nice shape. If you have a beard stash like myself, you want to have a neat mustache. If you have a long beard and you want to have the handlebar mustache, you still want to keep those strays down. If you're an office guy, have a big beard and want to keep that handlebar mustache to get that beard a bit more executive kind of look, you want to keep the handlebar very neat. So bit of mustache wax over the top and then moving on to the ends. Apply some generous amount, like so. Back to this little one. As you can see, as soon as I run the comb loose, boom. With a little curl. Oops. I'm gonna do one side at a time, and to keep this curl nice and in shape, I'm gonna use a little bit of cold from the hair dryer. And I'm just gonna blow it like from a soft distance, holding it there. Voila. Next side. And by the way, this is a slightly longer process, but it just helps get that mustache a bit neater. Voila. I would say that's a handlebar. You can always give it more curl. You can just keep going on that curl and maybe get some dry, apply more wax. For the handlebar, you can apply a very generous amount of wax. So that is the handlebar, style number 1 done. Moving on. Style number 2, the Wild West style. So again, I've washed my mustache, back to the tools. This one is actually pretty easy. So this, you comb it always in a slight angle, but without curving. So it's kind of straight, but wide on the ends. Obviously, this on a big beard, you're gonna notice it if you have different color hair on your beard. Like for example, if you have a gray beard but with a thick dark mustache, you're obviously gonna notice that mustache more. But on a small beard like mine at the moment, this is perfect for the Wild West. Back to the hair dryer, same thing again, medium heat, keep the nozzle so it helps you just go in that one direction, and less dryer and comb at the same time. As you can see, then I just do the ends like so they kind of get a little bit messy and wide just by combing it fairly quickly like that and very light. Moving on to the other. For the Wild West, you can always just put a tiny little bit of mustache wax. So you just keep the mustache, although it looks a little bit sort of messy and thick on the sides, it holds it like that. And that's why I was brushing it so quickly, because my mustache still has a little bit of residue from the wax. But you can always just go slightly, put a tiny bit at the ends and go again. And this is the Wild West massage style. So style number 3, the English mustache. English mustache is a kind of a handlebar. Instead of curl up, it just goes slightly there. So let's try this a little bit. As I comb through, instead of curl, I just pull up a bit, but not too much, on an angle. And again, if you have your mustache over the lip, just try to dry it in that direction so it gets tight for when you apply the wax. While it's still warm, a little bit. Again, same again, I apply from the top. This is slightly tight and tidy style. Not so much on the ends like on the handlebar. Now using my hands, I'm gonna give it that slight. English mustache. Slightly, it's like a slightly smaller without curl handlebar. Style number 4, the cowboy. With the cowboy, it's fairly easily. Once again, going to use the hair dryer, the mustache comb there, or pocket comb, but the mustache side. Medium heat, speedo. Dry it down. Comb it fairly quick, mostly the ends. Now a bit cold. Tiniest little bit of mustache, because we want this to look as much natural possible. Comb again fairly quickly, bring it in, as this is slightly different than the Wild West. The Wild West goes a bit wider, and this one comes in a little bit. There we go. To the cowboy. Yeehaw! So this brings me to the end of the video. As I've been having a mustache for quite a while, I enjoy trying new styles. When I first shaved the beard, I was always having that sort of cowboy mustache going on. So lately I've actually been using different mustache styles. It's cool to make some changes, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video and play with your mustache.
Dude, you want simplicity? Grab the styling balm. It's designed for your hair and your beard. It will give a satin finish with a medium hold. No, it's not a conditioning product, it's a styling product. Styling balm over at beardbrand.com.